Good day everyone and welcome to another exciting vocabulary lesson. Today we're going to be talking about vocabulary from week 6. And here are our 6 words. Leviathan, Erratic, Celestial, Maelstrom, Prowess, and Loll. So we are going to start today by talking about each word individually, what it means, and an image for each word, and then at the end we're going to talk about how to use them correctly in a sentence. So let's get started. First word, Leviathan. Leviathan. This word is a noun, and as you can see from the pictures at the right, a Leviathan is traditionally known as a sea monster, or any huge marine animal, such as a whale. But it can also mean anything of immense size and power, as a huge ocean-going ship. So you can see down at the bottom, any sort of giant ship is also known as a Leviathan. You can also use the word plural, so you could say Leviathans. So this is a noun, Leviathan, giant sea monster. Word number 2, erratic. Now this is an adjective, so this is when we describe things as being erratic. If something is erratic, it is deviating from the usual or proper course in conduct or opinion. Eccentric. It can also mean having no certain or definite course, wandering, not fixed. So if we look at the right, the pictures show perfectly things that are erratic. The top picture is a picture of a sidewalk, and you can see that it's not straight, it's not from one point to another, it's curvy, it's erratic, it's changing its course. Someone's opinion can be erratic as well. They can have one thought and then quickly shift to another thought. Now that is an erratic type of thinking. The color swirls at the bottom are erratic as well, because it's not one singular color, but it's many, many colors. And the pattern is also curving all over the place. So erratic, it's an adjective, meaning to change course frequently. Alright, word number 3, celestial. This is an adjective, and it also describes things. So, if you look up at the night sky, this bottom picture, that is a picture of a celestial sky. And celestial means pertaining to the sky or visible heaven, or to the universe beyond the earth's atmosphere. It can also pertain to the spiritual or invisible heaven, heavenly or divine, of or relating to celestial navigation. So back in the olden days, captains of ships would navigate their ships using the stars. So anytime you're talking about the sky, the stars, or the heavens, you can use the word celestial to describe those things. Word number 4, maelstrom. Maelstrom. This is a noun, and so it's a thing. It's not something you describe, but it's an actual thing itself. It's a large, powerful, or violent whirlpool, a restless, disordered, or tumultuous state of affairs. So it can actually mean two things. It can mean a physical storm that you can actually see and experience, like a hurricane in this image, or like a giant storm in this image right here. But it can also be an internal storm. So if you're dealing with some sort of heartache or depression, you can be having a maelstrom inside of yourself. So maelstrom, powerful or violent storm. The next word is prowess. Now this is a noun, it's a thing, and it means you have skill at something. I have prowess. Exceptional valor, bravery, or ability, especially in combat or in battle. Exceptional or superior ability, skill, or strength. Of a valiant or daring deed. So you can see here in this top image, this person is very strong. He has a lot of muscles, and you can tell he is very, very brave and strong. And in this picture, I just gave you a simple synonym, skill. You can have prowess in school. You can have prowess on the playing field. You can be an artistic prowess. Anything you can have skill in, that is prowess. Alright, our last word of the week is loll. This is a verb, so it's an action that you do. You can see our two characters are doing that action very well. Loll means to recline or lean in a relaxed, lazy, or indolent manner, to lounge, to hang loosely, droop, or dangle. So anytime you are chilling out, relaxing, you are lolling about. So just as a review, here are our 6 words: Leviathan, Erratic, Celestial, Maelstrom, Prowess, and Loll. And then here's a great example, this paragraph, of the words used in actuality, so using them properly in a sentence. If you'd like to stay here and review, please do. These are our 6 words for the week, as well as how to use them properly in a sentence. Thanks for joining us today, and I'll see you next time.